welcome to today's video. Today's video is the first in a series of my very favourite plant-based vegan salads I've been giving to guests for years and they've been loving. I love salads, they are so yummy, and if you combine the correct ingredients, herbs and spices together, they can be so delicious as well as packed with so much nutrition and protein. Inspired by flavours all over the world, they can be so flavoursome and so diverse. In this salad series, I'll share all of my favourite plant-based vegan salads I've been making for years and we eat nearly every single week, so you can eat them yourself, share them with your family and your friends. If you enjoyed today's video, please do hit the like button, or if you plan to make one of the recipes, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. This is one of our very favourite salads. It is so quick to make and it is so nutritious. It has so few ingredients and it is just so delicious. We eat this like every week. This salad is ready in 10 to 15 minutes. It makes 2 large portions or 4 smaller portions. It's best made and eaten within a few hours. It is loaded with so much goodness, vitamins, healthy fats, minerals, antioxidants, and it's so tasty. I love protein pastas in my salads, especially this salad as it's the main protein source. I also love the healthy taste of protein pasta at lunchtime, and it's very quick to cook. I'm using 2 fairly large, beautifully ripe avocados. These avocados are perfect. The stone pushes out so easily. They're in season in Cyprus and so cheap. They are loaded with healthy fats and they're so nutrient dense. I love my avocado in this salad in large chunks so you can really taste and appreciate the avocado. I love the taste and crispness of cucumber. I use a half-size cucumber, a traditional Greek size. Cucumber has so many important antioxidants and it's very high in vitamin K. Around 10 fabulously tasty vine cherry tomatoes, particularly rich in vitamin C and the antioxidant lycopene, which has so many health benefits, and tomatoes are a great source of folate too. I am loving leafy greens right now. They are so nutrient dense and they're so delicious. I'm using around 75 grams of tender spinach cut into ribbons. I love the taste of fresh spinach and it's so rich in vitamins K, A, folate, calcium and iron. A little muddy, fresh from the local field, so a rinse and a spin in the salad spinner is perfect. If you don't have a salad spinner, I highly recommend you get one. They are so cheap and they're so helpful. Let's load the salad up with ribbons of lovely tender fresh spinach, delicious fresh juicy tomatoes, creamy healthy scrumptious avocado, refreshing crunchy and crisp cucumber, optional pink salt, optional extra virgin local olive oil, and the balsamic vinegar makes the salad jump out the bowl with flavour. It took a little time to find the yummiest balsamic vinegar I could find, but once I have, oh, it's amazing. And that's a super yummy, nutrient-dense salad we eat every week. I hope you try it, love it, make it. If you find the salad yummy, I hope you come back and let me know in the comments. If you're enjoying today's video, please do hit the thumbs up so you keep on seeing my videos. And if you're new, subscribe and turn your notifications on. This video is the first in a series of my favourite nutritious, yummy plant-based vegan salads, so do make sure you're subscribed. If I could only eat one salad for the rest of my life, I think it would have to be this salad. I could eat this salad every single day for lunch and not get bored of it. It's kind of a chicken and cheese salad, but the chicken is tofu and the cheese is vegan feta cheese. It's a classic chicken and cheese, but it's tofu and vegan feta cheese. This yummy salad is 2 large portions or 4 smaller portions. And if you use fresh spinach, it'll keep in the fridge for days. It's ideal meal prep food for packed lunches. As well as being incredibly yummy, it is full of protein, rainbow veg, so many vitamins, minerals, fabulous antioxidants, and it's ready in just 15 to 20 minutes. My favourite type of tofu is fresh. It's half the price of long life and it just has the best texture. I use it all the time if I can. Long life tofu works absolutely fine in this salad, medium or firm. I'm using 500 grams of tofu and ripping it into similar sized pieces. To press, I use kitchen towel and I swap the kitchen towel until it's no longer moist. I use the juice of 1 lemon and around 3 tablespoons of a sun-dried tomato red pesto marinade. It creates the most gorgeous flavour in the tofu that works just so well in the whole salad. I marinate the tofu for up to 24 hours if possible, and then air fry on 200 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, shaking halfway. This bit can be done ahead of time. This is absolutely wicked. It is so squidgy in the middle and crispy on the outside. It's just so tasty. This maker red lentil pasta I highly recommend. It is the best protein pasta I've found. For texture and consistency, it's just like an al dente wheat pasta. Some protein pastas don't have this bouncy texture and can easily break apart. I always rinse salad pasta in cold water to stop it cooking. I like to create more variety in my salads, visually and on the tongue, by slicing my fruit and veg into different shapes for each signature salad. Is this something you do? Do you slice your veg the same for every salad? Let me know in the comments. I'm slicing and quartering 1 Greek cucumber. Cucumbers help keep you hydrated and they're particularly good for bone and eye health. I'm slicing red, orange and yellow bell peppers and a mild green pointed pepper into 1-inch slices, totaling 150 grams. These peppers are rich in vitamins A, B6, folate and very high in vitamin C. The redder the pepper, the more beta carotene and vitamin C. I'm cubing 200 grams of baby tomatoes. I love tomatoes, they're so nutritious. They're really rich in vitamin C, K, A, many B vitamins like folate, and minerals like copper and potassium. I'm slicing 75 grams of spinach into ribbons. Baby spinach leaves are lovely too. Leafy greens like spinach are incredibly nutrient dense. I'm dicing 2 medium-sized chili peppers. Chili is packed full of goodness. It's great for digestion, metabolism, helps fight colds and inflammation. This vegan feta cheese from Lidl is really delicious and such a realistic flavour. It contrasts the other flavours in the salad fantastically and is really cheap. Another great realistic brand is Green V Greek style cheese. I'm dicing the feta into small cubes to enjoy the tangy contrast in every bite. Let's layer up this fabulous salad. The tender spinach brings a mild and sweet green flavour. The peppers are super juicy, fresh and crisp and sweet. The cucumbers are so refreshing, crunchy and slightly sweet. The chilies add such a yummy warmth and spice to the salad and needs mixing evenly throughout. The vegan feta adds a mild, delicious tang. And the sweet corn brings such a yummy, sweet taste. The warmth and yumminess of the red pesto tofu mixes throughout the salad. Juicy, sweet cherry tomatoes, and is lovely with a lot of ground black pepper, pink salt to taste, about half a teaspoon of oregano, makes this salad come alive. And my local olive oil is loaded with healthy fats, antioxidants, vitamins, and cold. It brings the nutrition out in all of the fruit and veg in this salad. And that's a lovely, scrumptious, nutritious salad ready to serve. Ideal for barbecues, lunchtimes, as a balanced, flavoursome salad everyone should enjoy. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you try one of my very favourite salads, and please hit the like button before you leave. For more recipe ideas, check out some of my what's for dinner videos, meal prep, or what I eat in a days. See you in the next video. Bye!